Business actually has been surprisingly robust. We've had a large cohort of people that have come into our system, and we have over 3,000 companies that are registered. We have actually quite an interesting backlog of companies, individuals, family offices, and foundations that are making applications. So in that sense, we're very fortunate, and I would put us in the category of the people who have sort of emerged from the post-pandemic world on the right side of things. So overall, thumbs up.
And the UAE is definitely on show at the moment. Expo is now underway. I want your take on this because this is a major capital works program. It comes at significant expense. So what is the return on the UAE's multi-billion-dollar Expo investment going to be in your view?
So the return has to be calibrated from a financial standpoint, money expended, money coming in. And I think there will be people coming in and also staying for a few extra days, just for holidays. But you also need to measure, which is difficult to do in a financial sense, of the signaling of that we're back in business, the country's open, and things are happening here. So between the two, I think the results are very positive. But if you ask me to actually give you the numbers, I don't know them.
I think what's more important is the fact that when it comes to attracting and retaining businesses, what we see is regional competition rising. In Saudi Arabia, for example, we know there's been recent moves to try and take business away from the UAE. So what is ADGM doing, and Abu Dhabi in particular doing, to ensure that this place remains the regional financial and business hub?
Yeah, that's a good question. So, I mean, if you think of the world in terms of zero sum, one could take that angle. I mean, I would say, because I've spent all my life in investments and in trading and on trading desks and in banks, when I look at a place, at a jurisdiction, what I think about is, what are the benefits of being there? And there are multiple ones, right? Because here, it's easy to move your family, it's easy to live here, right? And yes, you have the rule of law, and yes, you have the pools of capital, and yes, you have the visa situation. So it's the package. And I would say, you know what? Come and take a look. That's what I say to people. Come and take a look. If you're an astute business person and you want to protect your business, come and take a look. And I think once you've spent 2-3 days in Abu Dhabi, if you haven't, you'll know the answer to your question very easily.
So you don't think the reforms that Saudi Arabia is making are going to come at a cost to its neighbors?
I don't think it's going to have a dramatic negative impact on Abu Dhabi. No.